Imagine a world where extinct animals roam the Earth again. This isn't science fiction, it's the ambitious goal of de-extinction. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology to bring back animals that have disappeared from our planet. This incredible feat is possible thanks to the power of genetics. By carefully studying ancient DNA, scientists can piece together the genetic blueprints of long-lost creatures. De-extinction is more than just bringing back the dead. It's about restoring balance to our planet. By reintroducing extinct species, we can help repair damaged ecosystems and preserve biodiversity for future generations. The prospect of seeing these magnificent animals alive again is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to conservation. Of course, de-extinction is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, ecological impacts, and the sheer complexity of the science make this a field fraught with difficult questions. However, the potential benefits for conservation, scientific advancement, and our understanding of the natural world are undeniable. During the Pleistocene epoch, a time of glaciers and giant mammals, the dire wolf stalked the landscapes of North and South America. Larger and more powerfully built than their gray wolf cousins, dire wolves were apex predators. Their massive heads and powerful jaws could crush bones, allowing them to bring down prey much larger than themselves. These formidable hunters left their mark on our imagination. From ancient cave paintings to modern literature and television, dire wolves have captivated us for centuries. Their imposing presence and ecological significance make them an icon of a lost world. Sadly, like many large mammals of the Pleistocene, dire wolves vanished from the Earth around 13,000 years ago. The exact cause of their extinction remains a mystery, but likely involved climate change and competition with other predators, including humans. Their disappearance left a void in the ecosystems they once ruled. In a groundbreaking feat of genetic engineering, scientists have brought back the iconic dire wolf from extinction. This remarkable achievement was accomplished by a team of researchers at Colossal Biosciences, a company at the forefront of de-extinction technology. The journey began with the extraction of ancient DNA from well-preserved dire wolf remains. Using sophisticated techniques, scientists were able to sequence the extinct wolf's genome, revealing its genetic secrets. Next, they compared the dire wolf genome to that of its closest living relative, the gray wolf. By pinpointing the key genetic differences that made a dire wolf unique, the team could begin the process of editing the genome of living wolf cells. Through a series of precise modifications, scientists were able to rewrite the gray wolf genome, effectively resurrecting the genes responsible for the dire wolf's size, strength, and other defining characteristics. These genetically modified cells were then used to create embryos, which were implanted into surrogate mothers, domestic dogs carefully selected for their size and temperament. After a gestation period similar to that of a dog, 3 healthy dire wolf pups were born: Romulus and Remus, born in October 2024, and Khaleesi, born in January 2025. These pups represent the first dire wolves to walk the Earth in over 13,000 years. The pups are currently being raised at a spacious 2,000-acre preserve managed by Colossal Biosciences and the American Humane Society. This secure environment provides the space and resources necessary for the pups to thrive and develop their natural instincts. As they grow, the pups are already displaying many of the characteristics that made their ancestors so formidable. At 6 months old, Romulus and Remus are already nearly 4 feet long and weigh over 80 pounds. They are expected to reach an adult size of 6 feet long and over 150 pounds. The successful de-extinction of the dire wolf is a watershed moment in the field of conservation. It demonstrates the power of genetic technology to not only bring back extinct species, but also to help conserve those currently teetering on the brink. The techniques pioneered in this project have far-reaching implications for the future of conservation. By applying these same principles, scientists hope to one day restore populations of other critically endangered species, such as the woolly mammoth, the dodo, and the Tasmanian tiger. The benefits of de-extinction extend beyond simply bringing back lost species. By reintroducing these animals into their former habitats, we can help restore balance to damaged ecosystems. For example, the reintroduction of dire wolves to certain areas could help regulate prey populations and promote biodiversity. Furthermore, The research and technological advancements made during de-extinction projects have valuable applications in other fields, such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. The knowledge gained from studying ancient DNA and manipulating genomes can lead to breakthroughs in treating diseases, developing new crops, and understanding the complexities of life itself. While the scientific advancements in de-extinction are undoubtedly exciting, they also raise complex ethical considerations. It's crucial to approach this field with caution and engage in thoughtful discussions about the potential consequences of our actions. One concern is the welfare of the animals involved. De-extinction often relies on cloning techniques, which can have low success rates and result in health problems for the animals. It's vital to ensure that any de-extinction efforts prioritize the well-being of the animals above all else. Another ethical consideration is the potential ecological impact of reintroducing extinct species. Ecosystems are complex and interconnected. Introducing a new species could have unintended consequences, potentially disrupting existing food webs or outcompeting native species. Careful ecological assessments and monitoring are essential to mitigate these risks. Finally, there's the question of whether de-extinction diverts resources and attention away from efforts to conserve currently endangered species. Some argue that we should focus on protecting the species we have rather than trying to bring back those already lost. The de-extinction of the dire wolf marks a pivotal moment in our relationship with the natural world. It signifies a future where humans possess the tools to not only preserve life, but also to potentially reverse the course of extinction. This groundbreaking achievement challenges us to reconsider our role as stewards of the planet. It compels us to examine our impact on the environment and explore innovative ways to mitigate the damage we've caused. The legacy of de-extinction will be shaped by the choices we make today. By approaching this field with a combination of scientific rigor, ethical responsibility, and a deep respect for the natural world, we can harness its potential to heal our planet and inspire future generations. The future of de-extinction is bright, offering a glimmer of hope in a world facing unprecedented environmental challenges. Let us proceed with caution, wisdom, and a shared commitment to creating a wilder, more biodiverse future for all.